Hi everyone, it's Miss Joya. This week is the second week now of summer reading, so don't forget that the library is now open, and if you would like to come with an adult, with a grown-up, you can come in and do that. You can always still get books through the pickup window, so if you wanted to do holds as well, we're always able to get those for you. And we do have the kits inside the building now. So if you were looking to get one of the kits this week, you would want to come to the children's store, or you could also call and ask for one, and we could put that down at the pickup window. All right, so this week I thought we would do kind of like a science experiment, but the fun thing about this is that you have everything, you should have everything that you're going to need for this one at home. I have just a baking dish here, so it's clear so you can see it in, but this is just milk. I use 2%. I think you could probably use whichever you have at home, but I do know that this is based on like the fat that is in the milk, this experiment. Then I also have food coloring, a few different colors here. So I have blue, green, yellow, and red. So those are here. And then I also have some cotton swabs or Q-tips. And I have this is dish soap. So I just put that in a clear, what you use to wash your dishes with, the dish liquid. So I'll leave that right there. Okay, so we are going to do what is called rainbow milk. So what we're going to do is we're going to put food coloring. And actually the food coloring really doesn't serve any other purpose, but just so that we can see what's going to happen in the experiment. So let me take the caps off and get these ready. Some red. I hope that everybody was able to get out and enjoy the weather over the weekend. All right, so now we're going to take our cotton swab and we're going to put it into the dish soap. Now you don't want to get it saturated, you just want to get just some on there. And then we'll put it into the colors. You could pick one of the colors that you want to put it into, and we'll see what happens from there. Okay, so we're going to take our Q-tips that we've put the done dish soap on, or whatever type of dish soap that you have, and we're going to pick a color. So let's see, how about if we pick, I think I'm going to pick the blue. Let's see what happens to it. Kind of neat, see how the color moves away from the soap. So we can take another one. We can put it into the dish soap. You could also just use the same Q-tip too, that's fine. This time, let's say I'll put it into the red. There it goes. Right now, let's maybe try the green. And see how it moves away. Colors, let's try over here. Maybe if we mix the blue and the red. It's kind of fun. You can just keep moving around. This is actually reacting more than I thought it would, because I've seen, you can find this online too if you just search for rainbow milk, and you can look for videos to show you how to do it, but sometimes they say that it doesn't react as much whenever you do it more than once, but that reacted pretty well. Let's maybe just give it one more try. There we go. Kind of neat to see how the colors mixed around. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about what just happened. So if you see how the colors all moved around, like I told you, the colors really didn't do anything except they helped us to see the chemical reaction that was happening. So there's a reaction between the milk and the dish soap. Soap is basically, dish soap is made to bond to fat molecules in foods. Like, so there is fat in the milk, And the food coloring just allows us to see that happening, to see the reaction. So the soap bonds with the proteins and the fats that are found in the milk, and that creates a chemical reaction. So the soap breaks down the surface tension of the milk, and it's disrupted, and then the milk goes into motion. So that's what we saw happening when the color started spreading. All right, so that's a fun little experiment you could do at home. You could share that with your siblings if you have other people, or some friends if you wanted to at home. Also, I know I talked a little bit at the beginning about summer reading, but do remember that it is all online this year. So if you look on our webpage, you can get signed up still if you need to, and you're also going to log the time that you spent reading. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope that you'll check in next week for the next tween video. Have a great week, and I hope you're having a great summer so far, and hopefully maybe I will see you soon, since we can actually come in and see us now. All right, take care, everybody. Have a great week.